Hey guys, Tony here at Northgate GM. Today we're taking a look at a very nice 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This one is the hatchback, and this one is also has the RS package on it as well too. So a very good looking vehicle, and it's on for a fantastic price point right now. Let's go ahead and do a quick walk around so you get a better feel for the condition of this particular unit. Start off up front here. As you can see, it's in very good shape. I don't see any dings or dents. And probably one of the reasons why is that it is protected with 3M film here, also known as expelled tape. There's a bunch of different names for it, but either way, there's a clear film from this point forward, and that is why the front end is in such good shape. So definitely a good idea, whoever was the previous owner. It's a great way to protect your investment and make it look new for years to come, so you don't get those pesky little rock chips up front. Rims are in fantastic shape. Lots of life left on the rubber as well too. Take a look down the side of the body panels. No dings or dents. Everything is in great shape. Just taking a look at the rear rims here. And the hatchback is very versatile, great on fuel as well. And it's really surprising how much space you have on the inside, whether it's for passengers or for cargo. But definitely a very well made vehicle. When this Cruze first came out in 2016, when it was fully redesigned, Consumer Reports actually rated it better than the Honda Civic, which is pretty impressive for a North American vehicle. So it just kind of shows you how long Chevrolets come with their smaller vehicles. With the RX package, you do get a little bit of a bigger spoiler in the back here, which is always nice. And this one is the LT model, so very well equipped. You do have push button start on the inside. You also do have the keyless entry as well. You just have to leave your key in your pocket or your purse, come to the vehicle, push that little button, it'll unlock the door, and away you go. Very nice on the inside as well. This one has nice jet black cloth. Sometimes with the contrast on my phone, it come across as a bit of a gray, but it is considered jet black cloth here on the inside. Power door locks, power windows, of course. And this one also has the Bose stereo sound system, so that's always a nice little bonus. I'm just gonna hop in here just so we can take a look at a couple different things. Cruise control right at our fingertips, all of our infotainment right at our fingertips as well too. We do also have a very nice touchscreen. This one does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can get your Google Maps coming up right on the screen over here. It essentially projects your phone right up onto the screen, so you have full access to your phone right from your vehicle screen. So very cool stuff. And that works once again for both Apple and Android. Very nice sunroof here. Might not need it for a little while, just with the snow coming in and all, but definitely in the summer, nice thing to have. I guess even in the winter, if you want to let a little bit of sunshine in, just to kind of brighten up your day. Don't necessarily need to have it open, but you can definitely have the shade open to let in some light. And just taking a look at the rear seat here, fantastic shape. As you can see, no signs of any major wear and tear. Everything looks the way it should be. And once again, it is jet black cloth. It's really just the contrast on my phone. But once again, overall, as you can see, very good shape. And if for some reason you are somebody that does like to have leather, we can make this leather very easily. We have folks who do custom seats for us, and they can make it whatever color you want, whatever style you want. So if there is something that you do see online, or even if you hit up the website Catskins, you can choose what type of leather you want, and we can make that happen for you pretty easily. So there you have it, 2018 Chevrolet Cruze hatchback. This one is the LT with the RS package on it. Very good shape. If you do have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. My name is Tony. You can reach us here at 780-476-3371, or you can also email us, sales@northgategm.com. Thanks for watching.